today for a day of fun at Fungi Fair at the Polish Center in Wisconsin. What will we find? Howdy shroomers, spore walkers, and mushroom loving folk. Today we are at the Polish Center for the Fungi Fair 2023. Today is also World Fungi Day. Join me today.
Today on Tattooed Granny.
Not under our feet.
What? It's October.
Not bad. Well, it wasn't as big as I wanted.
Our lion's made bigger than my head at Matt's Lodge. This is where you want to be. Mushroom Mike, LLC, the best foraged and grown cultivated mushrooms in the tri-state area. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells so good here. Oh my word. Wisconsin 𝐔𝐒𝐑𝐑𝐎𝐿. I gotta buy some of these. Man of the hour. A bargain at only $86. 1 pound fresh Motsies and 2 Wisconsin 𝐔𝐒𝐑𝐿. Unbelievable. Thank you, Mike. Mushroom Mike LLC. Best prices in Wisconsin. Delicious fresh mushrooms. Lady Stinkhorn of the Fungi Fair. Every which way on YouTube, 𝐊𝐼TCH, mushrooms all day long, and they're awesome videos. We're going. Look at these cool lights. Look at that. Bioluminescence. Oh, wicked cool. Hi. I just picked many pounds of these and dried them. They're fantastic. Lassinum. Got all kinds of cool stuff. Coachella. I love the illumination on this one. It's like mica cap. Oh my god, it's a tiny. Yeah, I like these. Yeah, we sampled this awesome mushroom display. Oh, chai. All kinds of medicinal mushroom stuff. Lion's made bigger than my head at Matt's Wild Foods. Incredible fresh mushrooms. Get them while you can. Look at that hand, how dark it is. Beauties, beauties. There's the man himself busy working.
She just ran everything.
Coral tooth, nice. Incredible fresh mushrooms at Matt's Wild
You
Foods.
can tear them into bite-sized chunks, saute them with some butter, pair them with scrambled eggs. They're great like that. Use them in place of crab meat in a crab cake or lobster roll. You can slice them. I've sliced them like you would a pork tenderloin and then cook them in like the cubes of the steak that I just made.
And again, just a couple little shreds on there is all you need. These ones
Start
really
handing them out then?
Yeah, we're up in Port Washington.
So we've just had a cooking demo by the chef from Twisted Willow restaurant, and he made mushroom risotto, and it looks fabulous. Incredible risotto. The stock uses rich porcini flavor, dried porcinis from Mushroom Mike. It's fabulous. And hidden upstairs at the Fungi Fair are tons more vendors. These are gorgeous morels. They look ceramic. Beautiful. Oh, look at this. Made in Wisconsin. These are gorgeous.
Thank you.
Teresa. She makes just mushroom pottery.
Wait, I sure these gorgeous.
Tiles.
You know, sometimes
Oh,
that's gorgeous.
So wonderful.
This is beautiful.
The platters and the bowls are amazing, Teresa.
Oh, aren't they nice?
Those are kind of cool.
Very cute. Mushroom salad. Super neat.
See, I like this one.
The morel look good.
They do have a morel one down there.
That's super cool. That is my hope. We have almost 100 people signed up for a foray of the Polish Center grounds at Fungi Fair 2023. It's going to be led by the best mycologist in Wisconsin, Tavis Lynch. And it is going to be awesome because we had 4 days of rain.
Pick everything that you see. We're going to do a species survey today. We're going to see how many species we can find. There were some unique ones that came in last year, some Britzelmyria, which we don't see very often. What else did we find? We found a lot of good bluets last year, and I got a hint that there's some porcini, one of the Boletus edulis clade. Yeah, so probably very close. We call it Boletus.
Quite a bit of it.
Don't get too far away.
No, portobello mushroom. Yeah.
Epiosporina morbosa, commonly known as the cat poop fungus. No king bolete, that's for sure. Beautiful day in the woods though. Beautiful fall day. Look at this gorgeous trail. Got one of the violet tooth polypores. Turkey tail. For a couple hours we walked the trails with Tavis Lynch, premier mycologist of Wisconsin, and he will ID all these down to species, even subspecies if you can. Coolness. Beautiful woods. Violet tooth polypore. Awesomeness. Ovaria gigantea. And a beautiful little orange type fungus. It's a cool old building. Really cool.
It's forming a scab, and that's what protects it from drying out. It keeps other things from getting in. And you'll see that because these craters are so big, you have to kind of let the wax cool down before you can turn to the next row, otherwise the wax will run out. Hence why I don't like using this as much. When we get to the doubles, it'll be so easy to seal those holes, you'll be surprised.
Without further ado, stations.
I'm bad.
Well, it wasn't as big as I wanted. So, the other group sort of stole the show with their Fungi. I wanted to go Fungi and go high. You can do that if you just add more brandy to it. But you want the brandy and cognac, whatever you're using. It'll add flavor, but you definitely want to burn off the alcohol. So you want to make sure your pan is fairly dry and any moisture is pretty well gone. As far as water moisture, oil is okay.
Oh, yeah.
Well, if you guys want, just come up and grab a plate, and I'll serve it up to you.
I'm about to reveal Wisconsin 𝐌𝐔𝐒𝐑𝐑𝐎𝐎𝐌s, also called Motzies for short. Tavis Lynch, the premier mycologist of Wisconsin, foraged these in upper Wisconsin, northern Wisconsin. They are associated with pine. They smell like cinnamon and dirty socks. They are exquisite in the button stage. Trichoma genus. I like them still with the veil attached. They're great in Japanese dishes, like in a dashi broth. Oh yeah. Little ramen noodles maybe. These sliced thin on a mandolin. They're usually covered in needle duff, but you can smell them before you see them. This is the Boletus edulis clad penny bun porcini Wisconsin bolete. One nice thing about fall kings is they lack bugs. Look at these beauties. Oh, yummy. Well, I didn't pick these myself this year. Why? Because from July until now, I had a summer and fall of eye surgeries. These beautiful treasures were picked by none other than Mushroom Mike, a Wisconsin purveyor of all things fungi. He cultivates, he forages. He supplies wholesale to restaurants. If this sounds like a plug, well, yeah, because his mushrooms are fresh and delicious. So how you tell that this is a cep, it has this beautifully reticulated stipe, pores under the cap, not gills, a kind of a light brown color, and it's associated with certain trees depending on the species. We have about 5 of them here that we're licensed to sell, and some of the beautiful ones from up north are Boletus chipoensis. We have some summer boletes, Boletus nobilis, that I personally picked, and you'll see pictures of those. And they have a sweet, nutty fragrance and taste, and are delicious in sauces and Italian dishes. Thanks so much for watching today. If you learned a little something, please like and subscribe. Wisconsin porcini, gorgeous reticulated stems, beautiful pores, beauties. You've been watching Tattooed Granny on YouTube.